Hello! Welcome to my room. Today I'm doing a room tour because my room has seen many different versions of itself. I love to change my room around, and this would have been a great video redoing my room because I did it about like 8 months ago, but I wasn't filming YouTube videos. So instead I'm just going to show you guys the final product. I feel like my room is the way I want it to be. Almost perfect. I think I could have a few more things on the walls. I'm not gonna wait to try to finish all that. So I'm gonna give you guys like an overview, like a little like panning of what my room, the entire thing looks like. And then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna show you guys in detail the little knickknacks and things that I have. So this is the door of my room, and right here to the left is my closet door, and right here a little bit out of frame is my bathroom. So all 3 doors are on this side, and then my room is like everything in front of me. So I'm gonna start out by going this way. So this is my closet door right here, and then when you come over this way, right here beside my bed is these 3 vintage kid clown drawings. I am obsessed with these. I found these on eBay or Etsy. I can't really remember. They're meant for like a child's room, but I just think they're so cool. Like I feel like they fit my room perfectly, and I love vintage clown items. And I feel like sometimes they can be a little creepy. And I feel like since these are like cute little kids, I feel like it kind of takes the edge off a little bit. But I am just so obsessed with them. They're so cute. I don't know like what era these are from, but like this one has a little dog and this one has a little cat. Like they're so cute. Now moving on to my bed. So this is my bed. Obviously I have this cheetah pillow, and I have this tarp thing, mesh, I don't know what you call this, hanging over my bed, and I tied some plaid ribbons around it. I got this off Amazon. Like I literally think it's a mosquito net, but I think it's really cute. I have Real Akuma over here, which I got with my best friend when I just visited her in California. She got like the brown one and I got like this color. My nightstand over here, I got this lamp off eBay, and I thrifted this leopard print overlay, and I just have these 2 red candles. It's mostly, this is just for decoration. I literally don't put anything on my nightstand except for my water and my phone at night. Staying a little bit closer over here, obviously I have this mirror behind me. It's literally just from Target. I wanted to make it more like the vibe though, so I took this lace piece that I thrifted and I just like draped it over it. Then behind me is this wall back here. I just have some dried flowers hanging. I have this cross that I got from an antique store. This I also got from an antique store, and I broke it right after I got it. I dropped it on the floor, so that was amazing. Then I got this little cute drawing off eBay. I just saw this video online about like when you thrift the antiques and you like all of a sudden hear them start talking, like the voices. I feel like I have so much old stuff in my room that I'm gonna start hearing like little whispers at night. I don't know, sometimes when I wake up at night and I look at this drawing, I'm like, is this creepy or is it just dark outside? Because they kind of look like ghosts. I don't know, but it's cute. Yeah, that is this little wall I have over here. Okay, so down at the end of my bed, I have this ruffle duvet cover, which I just think is adorable. And I have this trunk that is actually my grand's. My mom, I found it in the garage and she was sanding the top of it, and I was like, give me that. So obviously it's her mom, so she can do whatever she wants with her furniture, but I just couldn't let her sand off like the beautiful colors off this trunk. So I took it. And I just put this little crochet thing I thrifted to cover the top of it that she sanded off. And I just have these candles sitting right here. I have this cute little Blythe doll book that my best friends gifted me for my birthday. It just has like all of these cute pictures of the dolls. Like, are you kidding? And I have this Vivienne Westwood book. It has like a bunch of runway looks on it. Precious Moments cross because I grew up with Precious Moments. My mom collected them when I was younger. And then another cheetah print box that has nothing in it, just for decoration. So moving over to this corner of my room, can't really show it without showing like outside my window, but I do have like clothes hanging up over my window of like kind of pieces I don't reach for as much, but they are like literally art to me. Like they are so beautiful and I can't seem to get rid of them. So I'll show you guys like a little view of that, what I have hanging up there, as well as my lace curtains. And I have them hanging over my window. So in this corner of my room, I have all three of my band posters. I have my Deftones, my Cure, and my Sonic Youth poster, which by next year, I will have seen 2 out of 3 of these people live in concert, which is really exciting. So as for this little dresser, my friend actually thrifted it and she sold it to me. She's beautiful. I have all of these candles sizes on top. I got these off eBay as well. I have a little leopard print candle back here. Just keep some pajamas in here. The things on the floor, but I will do a little separate video. I have shoes down here because they look cute, but mainly because I ran out of shoe space in my closet. So I'm using them as decoration. And then to the right of that, I have my record player with all my records underneath it and a little Twilight CD because I couldn't pass it up when I saw it at the thrift store. A little black chair that I painted from the thrift store, and I have this old lamp on it that my boyfriend bought for me at an antique store. And then to the right of that, I have a 80s lace Victoria's Secret robe, little cheetah print chair sitting down here that my poster is sitting on, and I thrifted that as well. And then I have this Union Jack bag that I use as decoration. I'm kind of too scared to wear it out. I feel like I'm gonna mess it up or that it's gonna start peeling because it already has some minor peeling on it, but it is beautiful and it has like a bunch of studs all over it. Here to the right, I have like a little container with all my makeup products in it. I sit at this mirror in the morning and I do my makeup. As for the decoration on the mirror, I don't really have an explanation to why I have that stuff hung on it. I just think it looks cute. It's a vintage bra and then a vintage lip service bag with like studs on it, and it's red so it matches my room. And I got that for $5 at the last vintage market I was at, which was such a steal. Also, if you can't tell, I have like a red, black, and cheetah print kind of theme going on in my room. I decided like a year ago I was going to change up my room, and my room colors were mainly like black and pink was like the vibe. And I kind of wanted something more, no, I don't think mature is the right word, but I just kind of was like done with black and pink. Like I was like, I love black and red, or like black and purple and like red and cheetah print. Like I just love the way that looks. So that is the vibe. So over here I have this cheetah print chair. It's actually pink. I just took this blanket and I like just put it over it to make it look like it was actually cheetah print. I got this chair off Facebook Marketplace. It's just a like mid 2010s Pottery Barn teen little chair, but it's like super cute and I love the shape of it. I didn't want to get rid of it just because it didn't match anymore, so I thought that this worked pretty well. On this chair I have Domo on it, just chilling. And then over here I have this like candle sconce, and then I have like red candles over it. Over here I have this shelf with this picture on it. My two best friends live in New York and they found this on the side of the street, and I told them if they ever didn't want it anymore that I would gladly take it, and so they gave it to me. Star stickers over here. And then you can't see above me, but above me I have this real wood shelf that I keep all of my Hello Kitty plushes on. It's like literally perfect. I didn't put it up for that reason, but it just works out because I feel like they need to be displayed, but they also don't really have a place in my room, so it's perfect. They're all up there. And then moving over to my left, this side of my room still kind of follows the black and pink theme I had previously going on, but honestly it doesn't even matter to me. I just still love this part of my room. I didn't want to get rid of like all these things. I have so many knickknacks on this dresser. So I have this beautiful wood dresser, and then I obviously have these bows and this fan on my wall. Over here in this corner I have this light. It's called like theater face, happy sad face. It's also from the antique store. I love that. I just think it's so cute. No boys allowed. Duh. Moving on to this table, I just have so many random knickknacks. A couple of things I have on here is this little picture my mom framed for me in this bow frame. It's a picture of my grand on a horse. It's super cute. I have this card that two of my best friends made for me. It's so adorable. It's a bow and then it like opens up. It's so cute and I'm obsessed. I have another Precious Moments picture. I don't know what this is called. Like the weaving, it's like textured, but she's holding a bunny. This was from eBay. I have more candles, these flowers from my lovely boyfriend. I have this little bat family sitting over here. I love bats. I also have one sitting in my bed that my mom got me, and these are all Jellycats. If you know what that is, my mom is obsessed, to say the least, with these Jellycats. So I told her I like bats and she just got me a whole bat family. Every bat that was made I have of Jellycats. Then I have this cute wine bottle that my friends gifted me for my birthday, and I just thought the drawing on it was adorable. So I'm using it as decoration because I don't want to get rid of it. It says Aunt Ginny on it and it's just really cute. And I have this mirror leaning against my wall. It's a black mirror. Just super cute. Love this part of my room. I got Hello Kitty sitting over here. Also got this from my boyfriend. Some might think this is cluttered, but So this is the rug I have on my floor. I feel like it ties together my room perfectly. And then obviously I have hardwood floors. For some reason, for my 13th birthday, I asked for hardwood floors as my birthday present. I don't know like what compelled me as a 13-year-old to ask for that, but I don't regret it because I love my hardwood floors. But like every time I think back to that, I'm like, what? And then for the last part of my room, this is my bathroom door right here that I was talking about in the beginning. I have this Smashing Pumpkins poster framed on my wall. It's big and it's huge and it just fills the wall perfectly. I did have this wall spray painted like 2 years ago. If you follow my TikTok, you definitely have seen it because this is like my background for my videos. And I just got tired of it. Like, it was fun and it was cute, but I just got tired of it, so we just repainted over it black, and I hung this poster here because I love the Smashing Pumpkins. So yeah, that was my finished room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you enjoyed my room. Love you guys so much. Bye!